Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. And today I'm finally going to be creating a layout inside my traveler's notebook. This is all of this is from Studio Calico, and this is the January month kit that I received. And in case you missed the video, the haul video where I shared this, I'm gonna go over it really quick. So I have 2 of these stickers, 1 of these label sticker sheets, 1 circle, and then these strips, different colors. I also received, of course, the traveler's notebook. I received a little bag of all these tickets in there. So this is like the ephemera of the kit, and it honestly is just a bunch of tickets. I received a pink and well, it's not pink, well, pink, peach, and navy striped washi tape. And then I also received this stamp set. So I've been subscribed to Studio Calico for almost a year, and I've never used the stuff or the kits that come along. They have come my way. If there is something that I like, I keep it in, like, for instance, I would have kept these, divided it up into my ephemera storage and put them away for a different project. If I like the sticker sheets, then they went inside my sticker book. You guys, I don't know if I don't know if you're new, you haven't seen it, but I have a sticker book where I carry with me, and the stickers that I like, I kept. Whatever I didn't like for the kit, I threw it in a box in the garage, and then whenever it came time to do a giveaway, then I would share the items that I didn't necessarily like, and I would just pass them along. So it got to the point where I was probably a couple months in the subscription, and I'm like, why do you have the subscription? You're not even using it. You're not even filming a video using the items. Why are you still subscribed? So I sent them an email and I tried to cancel the subscription, and I guess that wasn't enough because they still kept charging me and the items still kept coming in. The kits kept coming in every month. So I think they rejected me. They said, no, you're going to stick with us. And so here I am. My husband, of course, was like, okay, that's fine. It is, I want to say $35.99 a month. And I would justify it by saying, okay, well, I do like certain items, and if the items come and I like them, then I keep them and I just use them in my other projects. I never use their traveler's notebook because normally I make my own. And so my husband's like, hey, why don't you just get to the point where at least you create 1 or 2 layouts, film it for a video, and then if you still don't like the items, then pass them along or pass your leftovers for the giveaways or whatever. So I was like, you know what? Yeah, let's at least get 1 or 2 layouts on film, share it with you guys, and then whatever I still don't like or I don't use, then I can just pass it along once, you know, the box in the garage gets full. I need to come up with a name for the box, like the giveaway box or something. But anyways, so these layouts are going to be using only the items that is provided. That is my intent. Of course, they gave me a stamp set, so I'm going to have to use my own ink that I already have, and of course my own adhesive. But my goal or my intent is to decorate or create layouts with only these items that they provided to me. Hopefully I can come up with more than just 1 layout. So I am going to honestly pull some inks, get my adhesive, my scissors, and then just kind of start brainstorming. I have no plan. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just hoping that something comes together. I may have to use scraps, and that's only because if I want to add pictures, right, of course I'm gonna have to figure out like the background for that. So I'm gonna switch you guys over to like speed mode. I don't know what to call it, because like I said, I have no plan. I don't know what I'm gonna work with. Honestly, I'm gonna flip through the pages and see what page I like the most, and then decorate it and create the layouts. All right, guys, so before I come in and add some music for you while the video is in speed mode, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about what I am doing right now at this moment. And basically, there was some pages, to be honest, in the traveler's notebook that I didn't like, and I didn't think that I could use them or I could do anything with them. So I ended up readjusting the pages and removing some of those that, like I said, I didn't necessarily like. And I figured that I could use them for scraps in a different project, or I could use the color for background. I was thinking that some of the words I could cut out and create into titles. So I'm just showing you here this part because I don't want you to limit yourselves by thinking that, okay, well, this is the traveler's notebook that they sent me, I have to use the pages in this order. No, you can definitely remove the staples, rearrange the pages to your liking, and then just put it back together. And that's exactly what I did just now. And use the same staples and everything. Use the same holes that are obviously were put in place from the beginning. And so I just wanted to point that out so that you guys, like I said, don't limit yourselves to thinking that the order in which they gave you the papers is the way you have to stick to it. So I hope that helps anybody. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back, and here is our final look for this layout. The main attention to this layout was washi tape. You guys saw how I put it here. I cut out the little banners. Well, I cut it out in pieces to make the little banners here and here, kind of just to tie in this part. And then you guys saw that I didn't have cardstock that matched it, so I made my own. And you would never know that this is not paper unless you're specifically looking at it, but it obviously went really well together. I added a few hearts. I got to the point where I had to end it because I was doing too much. I felt like I was overthinking. Then I wanted to bring the picture over a little bit to cover the mistakes. I ended up doodling because I felt like it was too empty up here. Like I didn't know what to add. I've added the hearts, and then I tried to add a heart on the actual picture, and I forgot that I had it in foam because it's popping up a little bit, and the heart didn't come out too well. Again, I was overthinking it. Maybe it looks too simple, I don't know. I wanted to stick to embellishments that I could make myself with the materials that I was given, and hence why I ended up using the washi tape in this manner. That's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.